And welcome back to the Crypto Hoax Show. Got a stock for you. Oh, yeah, buddy. It's crypto related. We have a brand new stock just about everybody could afford. If you're interested, we're going over it. Just let you know. We're also going over two cryptocurrencies you're going to know about. You kind of already know in the title of the show, but you don't know about the stock. Oh, shit. We're going over it. It's only like $2. It's like a couple dollars. Let's take a look, kids. Let's do a copy and a paste. A brand new stock for you. It's on the NASDAQ. You're going to want this one. Oh, shit. Wait till you see it. Vivo Power. Viva Las Vegas. It's VVPR on the NASDAQ. VV Paul Robert PR. Right now, it's about $2.26. Oh, shit. Back in June, July, and August, when they announced they're going to hook up with Ripple and shit, their stocks went from about $2 all the way up to $7. And then it went back down again over time. Now is a perfect time to buy this shit right now. If you want to wait, well, the lowest it's really been is about $1. And that was back in March, April. And it kind of took off starting around April. Went up to $4. Hit about $7 around late May, all of June, kind of dipped a little, back up at August, September even. And I'd say about the past, it started dumping around November 1st. So this is a good opportunity. If you look at the chart right here, I'm telling you, get in on this. It looks like it's dumping due to the holidays and shit. But it looks like about November 1st-ish, it started to kind of dump. And that was like $3.50. Now it's like $2.20. Now is the time to buy this shiznit. My name's Crypto Hawk. I'm not a financial advisor, not a crypto advisor. I'm not a stock advisor. Don't buy anything I tell you. Hola from Playa del Carmen, Mexico. That sounds fun. All-inclusive resort and shit. I've heard about that or seen that on the advertisements. One of these days, when all that Mexican cartel shit cools off, I'll make a trip down there. But until then, send me a postcard because I ain't going into Mexico with all that crazy shit going on and the terrorists and the cartels and the drug dealers and shit. Man, I'm not getting mixed up in their shit. My name is Crypto Hawk. I'm not a financial advisor, not a crypto advisor, none of the above. I don't know anything about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, nothing. Yo no sé nada de todos los productos de financial. Don't buy anything like that. Don't even watch the show. 24/7, I stay high. Heroin, cocaine. I go down to Mexico and buy a bunch of heroin. Oops, told on myself. I snort it, inject it, eat it, keister it. Whatever you can think of. I stay high 24/7. I have since I started the show 5.5 years ago. Don't even listen to a word I say. It's all fucking everything I have on my show is a scam. Every partner I've got, yeah, it's just all bad. Stay away from this channel. All right. Okay. Vivo Power. Buy that shit. Yeah, bud, you can prime añejo tequila. Stu Lavelle. Is Stu Lavelle in here? I don't see him. Where's that Aussie at? What time is it? It's probably like 11 in the morning there he is, Stu Lavelle. Let me look through here. We got a great show lined up. Another opportunity for you. I'm telling you what, these crypto prices, I'm going to show you why these cryptos don't go up because Ripple's giving away. See, look, Ripple doesn't want the crypto price to go up because when they sell it to banks and shit, it can't be $3, $4, $5, $10. That's what you're not getting. You're getting all frustrated. Oh, like a little baby that's either just shit his pants and it wants somebody to change the diapers. It's 12 o'clock, big man. So in Australia, it's 12. Okay. We're going to get into this. I'm going to show you why these prices dump because Ripple needs the price low. I want you guys to understand, like, okay, let me try to break this down. There is no Ripple family. What you have is a bunch of XRP, midlife crisis, desperate individuals wanting to try to be a part of something bigger because their life's so fucking boring. XRP is not designed for you and me. It's for institutional use. You happen to find it. You happen to found a bunch of people that are fucking lost. They have no clue. They want to go to Ripple functions and wear all the t-shirts and the hats and say, hi, I'm fucking stupid, okay? It's not designed for you and me. Whatever Ripple does, it's to further enslaving the whole entire world. That's the goal of Ripple. It's the government. It's the top 5 families of the world, okay? There's Mark Sinclair. Mark, the show is going to be awesome. I think you already know. Let's get in. This is a great show. You're going to love it. Now, here's some articles from Vivo Power. Let's do a copy and a paste. I went to the Vivo Power website, looked at it, did a deep dive. And I want you to see what's going on. Everybody, we are now entering the beginning of the end of all the slowdown with crypto. We have now entered, let me repeat, we are now officially in DeFi. That's at the tail end of all this dumb shit, starting with Bitcoin, the experiment known as Bitcoin, the government experiment known as Bitcoin, when the SHA-256 and all that shit. We are now at the tail end where the DeFi and the lending and all that shit's getting all set up. All the cryptocurrency exchanges are getting their licenses. We are now at that point. Okay. All righty then. Let's go. I'm gonna touch on this article. Well, okay, so here, let me back it up. Back it up. Let's start with this one first. I had a little premature issue. I gave you the wrong article first. Tequila o'clock here in Mexico. I want to go to Mexico and have some like really, really good añejo shit that's like, I mean, I got a couple bottles up there. I got a Grand Patron up there. And then this other one. Okay, focus. Quit distracting me. What we got here is Vivo Power. Vivo Power announces XRP-focused digital asset treasury strategy and a U.S. $121 million private placement at $6 per share. It shows above last market closing price. Now, this was a little while ago, back about 6 months ago, this article here. This is kind of what started it. Notice, capital raise, when they raised $121 million by selling off their shares at $6 a piece, the Saudi prince, His Royal Highness, Prince Abdulaziz bin Turki bin Talal Al Saud of Saudi Arabia. This guy spent $121 million. Now, here's part of the problem. He bought all these shares when they were $6 a piece. Now, these shares are worth about $2.25. So The price tanked. Now, who's also, besides having a power company out of United Kingdom, besides that, you've got, they raised money. You had a guy named Adam Trademan, former Ripple board member. He's involved in this. Oh, shit. Okay. He's also the CEO of SBI Ripple Asia. They're involved in this as well. He also invested and joined as the chairman of the board of advisors. Viva Power, believed to be the first public company in the world executing on an XRP-focused digital asset treasury and decentralized finance strategy. Funds raised will be used to buy and hold XRP, building out the treasury and the DeFi team, as well as for debt reduction and working capital. What they're doing is a lot of different things here. One is DeFi with lending and stuff like that, making money off your XRP. So rather than just lock it up in a coldware wallet, they are working on having DeFi for the future. That's where this all goes. And guess who's right there with them? Flare. What is Flare set up for? The DeFi for the XRP. Oh shit, Crypto Hulk, this is really happening. Look, I don't care about the prices of everything that's low. In fact, I'm buying, okay? I'm getting shit at a great deal, all right? What I'm showing you now is we are now at the tail end of all the dumb shit, okay? I guesstimate 1-2 years before this thing really takes off. I don't know. I can't even tell you the time. I don't even want to say that, okay? How about if I tell you this? Right now, what do you see, Crypto Hulk? I see DeFi rolling out all around the world. This is what I'm seeing now. They're getting set up. Their stores set up. You've got this article here from a couple months ago. I mean, you've got a Saudi crown prince involved in this. He wants to get involved in all this cryptocurrency and lending and all these things. The private offering was spearheaded by His Royal Highness Prince Abdullah Biz. I'm not going to say that long name. Vivo Power is believed to be the first publicly listed company in the world. Are you hearing me? This is where we're starting right here, everybody. It starts right here with all this treasury stuff going on. Remember, it was like Bitcoin and Ethereum treasuries and shit. Now we have the world's right here. First publicly traded company is launching an XRP-focused digital asset treasury. What they're hoping is when the XRP goes up in value, you put in $121 million they raised, and they bought XRP worth $121 million. And guess what happens when the value of these things go up? But they didn't pay. Oh, they didn't pay. What was the price of XRP back in 6 months ago? $3 or something? No, they paid 47 cents a piece. Oh, shit. What, Crypto Hulk? What? Yeah. See, look, Ripple, let me try to break something down to you. This shit ain't taking off. And I hate to be a buzz buster. If you're drunk right now, just drink more. And hopefully you'll get so inebriated you won't even understand what the fuck I'm saying. Then you can go on Twitter Spaces and be like everybody else and hold conversations. No one knows what the fuck you're saying because you're so fucking bombed. And you don't make any sense, and that's okay because nobody will remember the morning you were even there anyway, unless somebody records it. What we got going on is think Ripple doesn't want the price right now of the XRP going up. That's why they keep dumping it. They keep selling off shares at a cheaper price through the escrow and stuff like that, or they're doing different things, dark pools or whatever you want. That's why this thing has not gone up. Let's continue so I can show you that part where they're selling them at like 47 cents a piece and stuff. So don't get frustrated. I mean, that's how it works until until everybody's hooked up, everybody's got their XRP that they need, the right amounts. Then they stop doing this selling at discounted prices shit, and everybody pays the same price because this shit takes off and it's $1,000 a piece, and then there you have it. See, Ripple cannot get a business like Vivo Power to pay them $1,000 a piece for one XRP. Are you crazy? What Ripple's deal is, they're going to give it away to us. They're going to spread the liquidity out as much as they can. That's why they just don't dump it all in the market. This is all planned. You can't, the reason you got to have the escrow is to keep some, because what if Russia comes in, I'm just saying, or China, and like buys up all the XRP on the market? It'll only get so expensive because use case. Like, you can buy all the cryptos you want, but like, what's the use case? When the use case kicks in, that's when the price skyrockets. Tokenization and all full tokenization, full use case. That's what we got. You can't be doing this shit with XRP at $500. No banks are going to spend $5 trillion to buy XRP. So Ripple's selling it, like right now, at least like 47 cents a piece, or whatever price they're selling at. We're going to go over it here. So the Saudi royal prince absolutely loves crypto, specifically XRP. That's what it's showing in this article. As long-term holder of XRP myself, this is what he says, we all share common vision and objectives with regards to how a publicly listed XRP-focused treasury company can be scaled for the benefit of the XRP community and Vivo Power stakeholders alike. As part of the strategic move, Adam Trademan, former Ripple board member and co-founder of multiple blockchain ventures, is joining this project. He's going to make sure nothing gets fucked up, okay? Because that's going to make it look bad for Ripple and XRP's adoption. So he's got to watch things real close, make sure there's no hiccups and fuck-ups. And they're talking around June. All this shit happened about June 18th, 2025. I never heard of this at all. I'm completely shocked. Now let me go to the next. So here's this next article. It's the same. We're going to mainly stay on this topic today for the show, the Saudi talk. We're not going to go do 6 different articles today on this one. This one's way too important. We want to deep dive this so we understand how important this is. Next article. Vivo Power announces XRP-focused digital asset treasury and $121 million private placement. This article's May 28th, 2025. At that time, the share price was $6. So you guys are getting a deal on this. It's going right back up. It's going to go up when this thing takes off. People just bought into this for speculation, and then they dumped it. That's just common. It's going back up, and it's going to go way up past whatever it was. Let me cherry pick this. So again, this is the world's first publicly traded company to launch an XRP-focused digital asset treasury. They're going to try to build out the XRP ledger ecosystem. And the XRP, it was put in the United States government treasury. The Crown Prince, that's, I think, why Trump is very chummy with this Crown Prince, because he knows they love XRP. And I think Trump really knows what crypto is the number ones. I think he's got to be quiet about it. It's national security. He can't just tell everybody, hey, everybody, it's not World Liberty Financial. It's really XRP. They can't say that. They got to keep this price way, way low. The company intends to use the majority of the funds raised, the 121 million, to buy XRP and establish its XRP-focused treasury operations. So $121 million. Later, I'm going to show you where they paid 47 cents a piece. So they basically bought 250 million XRP. The company's evolution, so it evolved. Notice that word's always coming up, evolution, revolution. The company's evolution into an XRP-focused digital asset treasury reinforces the company's objective of spinning out its current operating subsidiaries, being Tembo, which is an electric vehicle company, and Caret Digital, that's C-A-R-E-T. It's a power to X digital asset mining. So it does crypto mining as well. Oh, so what they're doing here is they're both are targeted to close before the end of Q3, 2025. Interesting. So they have an electric vehicle company and crypto mining. They're going to shut both of those down. They're evolving into something else. Very interesting. You know what's interesting was that one crypto we went over with Greg Kidd. He bought like the blood glucose monitoring kind of thing. And what he do? He started the world's first retail stable coin thing like that. Like totally, that's what this company's doing right here. Same fucking thing. Greg Kidd opened up a $100 million Bitcoin treasury. And then he invented the world's first retail stablecoin kind of thing. And he hasn't even done anything with the blood glucose monitor. This company looks like it's doing the same thing. They get, instead of a Bitcoin treasury, they're getting a Ripple treasury, and they're shutting down a couple of their businesses. Kind of like very interesting. Because then you get 250 million XRPs. Now you can loan those out and make, I don't know what percent they'd make, 10, 15% a year. I mean, and then that won't be worth 121 million. All that XRP might be worth $1 billion. Like, I have no idea. Like, I'm just DeFi is coming in. So they're going to get into lending, crypto, and all that shit. So there's that article right there. Let me check the comments and go back to more of this. Vast Bank. Okay. USBC. That's right. I'm just looking through comments here. Okay. Here we are again. Oh, watch this one. This one deals with $696 million. This is almost $1 billion. So we have, this would be if you want to diversify. Hey, if you're one of those rich guys and you know who you are and you don't have any, hold on a minute. What is with this thing? I can't get this. Well, that's strange. I'm going to have to give you the title of this next one. It won't, I can't get it to share because YouTube's probably doing something fucked up. Here's the title if you want to look for it yourself. I'll cherry pick the article for you. Let me give you the title. Okay, the title is Vivo Power to procure underlying 211 million XRP position worth $696 million through budgeted initial $100 million acquisition of Ripple shares. That's a lot to fucking say. That's one hell of a title. This is out of London. This is dated August 11th. Vivo Power International. The ticker is VVPR. Today announced it's acquiring Ripple Labs shares. Okay, so they're probably going. Now, this was back, I think, before that one company, Link 2 or whatever it was, went bankrupt, or I don't know where these people are buying the Ripple shares. But back in August, they got Ripple shares as part of a strategic enhancement to its XRP-focused digital asset treasury strategy. Following a 2-month period of due diligence, Vivo Power has budgeted to purchase an initial 100 million of privately held Ripple shares. This encompasses, with current Ripple shareholders, which are subject to approval. Vivo Power will continue to directly acquire and hold XRP tokens. Based on the current market prices, a purchase of 100 million of Ripple shares translates into 200 million XRP token exposure with a current market value of $696 million. So they were buying it at about the tokens at $3 a piece. Well, that's what they say the tokens are worth. So what's going on is they're buying XRP tokens and shares of Ripple. Ripple minted a fixed. Oh, they minted. Well, I thought, that 14 million tokens burnt to date. Oh, what is this? Well, what have I always told you? Ripple's going to end up burning these tokens. Look right here. Looks like the cat's out of the bag. Ripple minted 100 million XRP tokens way back when it started. And given there have been approximately 14 million XRP tokens burnt to date, the network is mildly deflationary. So what we have now, Ripple came out in 2013. So we have 12 years. So it looks like about 1 million XRPs are burned at the rate right now, which like no one's using this shit. You know how that is going to cause XRP value to skyrocket over the next 5, 10, 20 years. You younger people that are in your 20s, by the time you're 40, because right now the burn rate is looking like 1 million per year. But think about it. When this starts really moving and grooving, they might be burning 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 million per year. This is 14 million over 13 years, so like 1 million per year. What if they start burning 1 million per month? The value of the XRP is going to... I don't study all this shit. The numbers are too big for me. I'm not a math major. Ripple continues to hold 41 billion, primarily in escrow. Ripple bought Hidden Road, Medico, Standard Custody and Trust, Rail, stablecoin payment platform called Rail. Ripple bought them. Vivo Power. Now, this is interesting. This United Kingdom company, it's in America as well. It's why it's on the NASDAQ. Vivo Power will become the first and only publicly listed company in the United States that provides shareholders with exposure to Ripple shares as well as XRP tokens. Oh, interesting. That's how, if you guys buy that VVPR stock, that stock's, as Ripple takes off, that stock's going to take off. This is what we're looking like here. You're buying in, like, it looks like Vivo Power might not even be trying to fuck around with being a power company anymore. It looks to me like they're doing a switch, like an evolution. Like they're forgetting all this power shit. And they're just going to grab a bunch of XRP and do DeFi. And this is what it's looking like to me. Whoo-wee. coming in hot. XRP token that represents an exceptionally favorable discount to the market price of XRP for $10 million of Ripple shares. It acquired an estimated $5 per share of accretion could accrue to the Vivo Power shareholders. I don't understand all this trading stuff, so that's I don't get into stocks and bonds. But for $10 million of Ripple shares that Vivo Power, I guess, bought, an estimated $5 a share of value could accrue to Vivo shareholders. It's going to go up. Let's just put it like that. I don't understand all this investment shit, but you know what I do understand? If you buy this VVPR and you buy Ripple and you get Flare, you're a fucking winner. That's what I do understand. Let's move on. Importantly, Vivo Power will have full and direct legal title of Ripple shares purchased and be recorded as a shareholder directly on Ripple's cap table. Vivo Power will not purchase any Ripple shares that are held in special purpose vehicle structure. An independent auditor will quarterly conduct reviews of Vivo's Ripple shareholdings. Okay, here's where the discount, listen to this. Here's where Ripple makes these deals. Vivo Power has the opportunity to acquire Ripple, so that's the shares, at a weighted average of approximately $19 million, representing 86% discount to Ripple's $135 billion holding of XRP tokens. There we go. So they're getting an 86% discount to their XRP holdings. That's how they do this shit, folks. What their goal is for their XRP and all that to be worth one day $696 million. Ooh-wee. Holler if you hear me. Okay, here we go. Listen up. Here we go. This infers that Vivo Power, here's how they do it, watch, would be buying XRP tokens at an implied price of 47 cents a piece. This is when XRP was like $3.37. They're able to buy it at about 50 cents. So they get to buy, for every 6 they buy, you get 1. That's how this shit works out. You buy 1 at $3.30 or whatever, and they get to buy 6 for the same price as you. Or if they just want to buy, if you want to look at it per XRP, back when XRP was like $3.30, they were paying 47 cents a piece for their XRP. Just thought I'd let you know that. And then some people are like, man, that's fucked up. Okay, now, why are they buying so many? They're forgetting the power company. They're getting rid of that's too much work, costs too much money. It's dangerous doing all the electrical shit they do. They just want to buy XRP and Ripple and just make money off lending money. Like, that's what the fuck they're doing. Looky right here. Let me check some comments real quick. Cloud says yes. Didn't know about the private equity Ripple shares part. Gino has to tell everybody he has big balls. I'm hold these big balls like I got bags, and hopefully those small bags is worth something to justify my big balls. Oh my God, this dude really just said all that. And then people are like, oh my God, Crypto Hulk just said all that. You know what? It's Saturday and I don't really give a shit. All right. Now, why are they buying all this? If you look at this article that I just gave you right here, Vivo Power Partners. Here we go. Here's what's happening. They're partnering with a company called Doppler Finance, Doppler Finance, okay, for institutional XRP and Ripple Labs US dollar yield programs, everybody. Are you hearing me? Holler if you hear me. Wherever you're at right now. I hear you, Hulk. That's where all this goes. They're saying, fuck the power company shit. We're going to dump 110 million at XRP. We're going to buy Ripple Lab shares or whatever it is. And we're going to start lending them out with DeFi and make a fuck ton of money and not have to do anything. That's what the fuck is up. You got South Korea mixed up in this deal. Now, Vivo Power, it looks like it's always like London. So maybe got something with London. It's an XRP-centric Treasury strategy. Today announced an agreement with Doppler Finance that is aimed at unlocking, oh God, here we go, everybody. Here's where we get rich. Not from people like you and me, us broke fucks trying to buy XRP. That dumb. Listen here. They're going to unlock, here's the key right here. Institutional grade investors. Institutional grade yield opportunity. So if you're an accredited institutions even, it's not even people. It's if you're an institution, you're going to take part in this. You can't buy into this fund unless you're an institution. And they might say you got to have 10 million bucks as the minimum investment or maybe 100 million. I'm telling you, man, this shit, don't focus on the price. Please don't be fucking stupid and look at the price. This is what I'm trying to show you. This is so massive. It's bigger than my ego, and that's pretty fucking big. What they're doing here, Crypto Info Edge. Hulk has the best stocks based off all the facts. Let's deep dive some more. Now, if you want to get another stock, that's up to you because I'm not a financial advisor. Look into the Doppler Finance. Here's why. Let me click on that one. This is something you're going to want to get into. Doppler Finance. Let me show you their page. You're going to want to get some of this one too. I'm telling you. This is a very innovative company. Look what they're doing right now. They're the first ones doing it. There's nobody else. This Doppler Finance and this VVPR. Here it is right here. Doppler.finance, okay? They have a vault and shit like that. Give me just a minute. I got to check something here. Doppler Finance is a DeFi protocol built natively on the XRP ledger, launched in 2025. It introduces XRP Fi. So XRP in the letter is FI right after it. It's blending decentralized finance with centralized finance, on-chain DeFi, liquid staking, real world. This is so fucking massive right here. Total value locked right now is $50 million on this platform. In July, it'll be over 100 million. TVL. Oh, shit. XRP Vault. Users deposit XRP to earn yields. 3.5% is the current amount. Accepts deposits on XRP Ledger or Ethereum. Yielding went live Q3 2025. Oh shit, look right here. Oh my God, I just found this out. The lending protocol beta version went live on the Root network. Oh man, son of a bitch. Awesome. You know how all you guys out there were concerned. Oh, Crypto Hulk Root network's dumping. I better get out. Oh, that was the dumbest fucking thing you could have ever done. What did I do? Oh man, I unloaded at least another couple grand in the Root. See, I saw the Root network. Where is that? Oh, there it is. Thank you, Jesus. I got like millions of this shit. Oh gosh. This is so fucking awesome. This is why you watch this Crypto Hulk program. This, oh man, this, I'm getting heated right now in a good way. We've got Doppler Finance working with Vivo Power, the Crown Prince, not a big deal, an ex-Ripple advisor, CEO. You got a guy who he used to work for SBI as well. Oh man. They're gonna have billions of dollars in XRP, and we got the Root network right here. Oh my God, you guys. Oh shit. I didn't know about this. I just looked this up right now. Oh man. Oh, some of them, I'm a bitch. I'm glad I've got millions of Root network. Oh shit. And people dumping. Oh my God. I'll tell you what, I knew that Root network was a fucking winner. I saw it down 65%. Man, I'm telling you what, I dropped another 2 more G's in that some of them a bitch. And I'm like, why are these fuckers selling? Look, the Root network, the parent company, Futureverse, they kind of went out of business. The parent company, it doesn't affect Root network at all. Dumb shits are oh my gosh, the Root network. Oh, that's the dumbest fucking thing you can do is dump it and sell it. Oh shit, these people are so fucking stupid. Wow. Flare or Root? Split it up, get both. Don't put everything on one horse. Get both. Don't get greedy, because if bad shit happens to Root, or if the bad shit happens to Flare, I got both. On Kalen Brown, I got Root network, I got Flare, and in my little phone, I got Root. Okay. This is so fucking cool. That's why people follow Crypto Hulk channel. Their lending protocol. The beta version is live on the Root network. Oh my God, I'm sure glad I loaded up on that shit. I saw that the Futureverse 2 weeks ago was going through like a bankruptcy proceeding. And I looked up in my Grok, is there anything for me to be worried about with Root network? No. Grok, are you sure there's nothing's bad's gonna happen to Root network? No, Crypto Hulk, you retard. They're 2 separate, completely different companies. Oh, sweetness. So then I dropped another $2,000 and got a fuck ton of it. That's why you watch this program, because we bust the best fucking moves. Okay. Doppler Finance. That's what I'm talking about. Like a fucking boss. This channel's a fucking boss channel. I was talking to some $500 member today about this kind of stuff. Brand new guy, trying to peep him some game and stuff on what we got going on over here at Crypto. He said he'd been watching the show for a lot of years. And he's like, fuck, I should have just been a member. That's what he said. Don't want to mention his name. We talked for like an hour. Eventually, I'm like, dude, I gotta go. But a newer person, I gotta give him a lot of time. New people. Once you guys get going, like, you don't need to talk to me all this time. It's you might ask a question, Crypto Hulk, I'm gonna drop 3,000 on this one or that one. Which one? I'll be like, let me look them up. Give me like 10 minutes. And I'm sitting here talking to you and I'll tell you what I would do, but don't do what I would do. Oh, it's headquartered in Singapore. Well, that makes sense. This Doppler Finance is headquartered in Singapore. Where have we seen this before? Oh, that's right. Only Crypto Hawk is the only one who showed us Ripple Singapore 2013, gold and silver in your wallet. That's Crypto Hawk. That's what I'm telling. This guy said I had to finally. Oh, guess what? Guess we got more surprises. Fireblocks is the custody provider for Doppler Finance. Oh shit, Crypto Hawk. That's why you have Caleb Brown and not that other fucking. Oh shit. Oh my God. No way. You got Fireblocks involved for custody. I'm going to cry. You got Axelar involved in this project. Oh, shit. Persist EVM. That's the Ethereum virtual machine. Oh my God. I'm ready. I can't believe this. This is like Christmas. I'm almost ready to cry for you guys because you're going to be so fucking rich. You're lucky. I'm lucky I found this show. Dude, you've got Fireblocks involved in this project, ex-Ripple people involved in this whole Vivo Treasury, Axelar's involved, Persist and Ripple made the Ethereum virtual machine with the Cosmo. Remember Cosmo SDK with Tendermint, that little government agency? They made the Cosmo SDK blockchain. That's who BlackRock is using with Ondo. Oh, shit. And then you got Axelar with Persist. Ripple worked with Persist with Cosmo to build the side chain. Oh, this is total fucking Ripple. This is amazing. Oh my God. And the Root Network is all mixed up in this. Oh shit. This is Christmas in November. Oh man. I'm gonna have to get some air here. I think I'm getting a little chubby on this one. This is fucking amazing. Root Network. We haven't gotten into Flare yet. Oh, shit. Told you I'm not going to go over 6. See, here's what I do. I do the best job I can because I want you guys rich. I'm showing you. I don't care what the prices are. That shit does not affect me. I don't fucking care about a dumping price. When stupid assholes are out there selling off the Root Network, they have no idea what we just got here. Because this is Crypto Hawk Show. It's the best fucking show. And that's for show. We've got Axelar in here. Axelar is hooked up with BlackRock in Ondo. Oh, shit, with Ripple. Fucker, Crypto Hawk. Damn it. This is massive right here. Holy shit. And people are selling off Root. How fucking stupid is that? These stupid dumb shits. I didn't budge. The minute I saw Root at 65 or down 70%, fuck it, put in $2,000. I'm like that. Because I know what Root is. I wasn't worried at all. I did my due diligence. And when I found out there wasn't a scandal or nothing at all, bam, dump even more in. There's going to be a transition from they're going to have Fireblocks custody, and then they're going to have Axelar. Yeah, that's what they're showing right here. Doppler, Doppler. Doppler Finance is highly engaged on Twitter. Oh, shit. This is fucking awesome. I'm having a great day. I don't care what the fuck happened today. Today's a great day for me. Hold on. I'm checking up on who are the people that put money into this project. The venture capitalists I'm looking at. Hold on. Hash key. GSR. Oh shit, we just read about them yesterday. This is fucking good shit right here. Like, I wish I could smoke this shit. Okay, that'll be it on that one. Oh, shit. What the fuck did we just step in right there, kids? That's a fucking Crypto Hall deep dive for you, man. Son of a bitch. We haven't even gotten into Flare yet. I got 10 minutes. We got Robert Bobby Driscoll says, Vivo Root Network. Thanks, Hulk. What do we got here? Duke XRP, right on it. He might be paying the rest of his membership. Crushing with LEAS, set up with Anderson. Ex-wife gets nothing. Borrow, beg, and buy. Shit is cheap. Oh, this is so awesome. Thank you very much for that. See, it's not how much crypto you buy, it's how much you get to keep. Okay, that's the important part. That's why we have the Anderson Advisor Lawyer. If you have all your crypto you need and all that shit, then get hooked up with a lawyer, get a loan. Because here's why: pay the shit off. It's actually pretty cheap. It's $2,000 cheaper than what I thought it was. Okay, when get your crypto and put it in their system, okay, their legal system. They have a plan, a Crypto Hawk plan, and look below my screen for the Anderson Advisors, because when you get rich, they're coming for you. Everybody. Let's say somebody might set up a car accident or push somebody in front of your car and you hit them so they can steal your crypto. And so, I'm telling you, man, they're sophisticated people. If they know you're worth $500 million or $100 million, some motherfucker is going to push his buddy right in front of your car. You're going to hit him. They're going to sue you for all your fucking money. And you're going to be like, damn, I should have got that Crypto Hawk lawyer. And then what did I say? I told you so. But I wanted that other couple $1,000. I wanted to buy crypto instead of having the lawyer. Well, you fucked up. Because Crypto Hulk told you it's not how much you buy, it's how much you keep. Oh, shit, that's right. In the end, I'll be like, told you so. With all this fucking shit I've been saying for years. I've been keeping you ahead for years. But I can't force you. You got to fucking listen and do the right thing with the information I give you. Doppler Finance. Let's move on. South Korea. South Korea's mixed up in this. They're working with K-Weather. Vivo Power enters into agreement with KOSDAQ, KOSDAQ. It's a company. And it's on the NASDAQ. Wait, that's Vivo Power. Okay. K-Weather is the name of the company. The letter K, capital K, capital W, lowercase EATHER, K-Weather, hooked up. They're working on a blockchain-based Treasury payment and token platform. Kind of the same thing that Vivo Power is working with. Let me go to the next. Okay, let me look up Vivo Power. Now I'm going to look at my Grok research. This one's really short. Let me cherry pick this. I asked Grok to look up Vivo Power. Let me scan this really quick. The world's first public company strategy centered on it. See, this is what, look, everybody, look, check it out. This crypto is going to go fucking nuts. When all these institutions globally with their trillions and quadrillions of dollars buy up all this crypto, you're going to wish, you'll be like, damn, I don't care what the price is now. What I'm doing is I'm showing you what no other channel's doing. I'm showing you connections. No other channel has a fucking clue. All right. All these other channels do is repeat the same fucking stories. They call each other, hey, well, what story are you going over? How do you know? Because they have the same fucking news. They got the same format, 18-minute format, 18 different articles or whatever, 9 or 10 articles. It's the same fucking shit. They don't research nothing. if anything, they get their research from somebody else. Pathetic. Broke dick pathetic. Weasels. These companies, these corporations are accumulating good cryptos. All the shit we go over is good. They're going to put all these cryptos in a treasury and then lend them to people like you and me so they can make money and get rich. Not with us. What we're doing is we're buying this fucking shit that I talk about. We are ahead of this fucking, all these people on this planet have no clue. They watch mindless social media influencers who don't know fucking shit. And what I do on this channel is I prepare you years and ahead of what's going to happen. I'm showing you right now the names of cryptos, the names of companies, and what they're planning so you can be prepared, get a fucking loan, and get this shit, okay? Quit dollar cost averaging. That's the dumbest fucking shit you could ever do. Just fucking buy this stuff right now. Okay, we got that done. Let me look here. Okay. Just like we said, in August, Vivo Power committed $100 million to Ripple Labs, and even Grok is saying 47 cents per token, which is 86% off discount, okay? That's what's happening. You're paying $3.65. They pay 47 cents. Ripple wants the price of this XRP as low as it can be. That's what you have to understand. You're getting all frustrated. Not me, because I've been telling you all this shit. I know what the fuck's happening. Ripple's the government and all kinds of shit. I expect all this because it's not designed for us. You're saying, man, if XR, here's what you guys are doing. Oh, on the 22nd, oh, this ISO 200, oh shit, it's going to go up. Oh, this date, it's going to go up. Well, that date, no, why isn't it going up? Why isn't it going up? Crypto Hulk. When is your price prediction, Crypto Hulk? Let me kiss your ass. When's your price? Dude, shut up with all that fucking shit, okay? Ripple's job is to keep this XRP as low as possible so institutions can buy it as cheap as they can. Ripple does not want the price to go up right now. Do you not get this? So you're getting all frustrated. You're trying to pick dates. You're wanting me to tell you when is this shit going up. When all the liquidity is spread out wherever they need to go, they're going to burn up the rest of this XRP and set it off. I don't have a fucking date for that. So what do we do until then? Shut the fuck up, get a loan, buy all the crypto we talk about on the show. That's what you do. But Crypto Hulk. Oh my God, it gets so irritating hearing dumb people ask me the stupid fucking shit. And these are the same motherfuckers that want to watch my little 1-minute videos or 2-minute videos, and they got all these fucking questions they want me to answer offline. I'm not doing that fucking shit. That's the dumbest. Watch my fucking show. How about if we do that, okay? Sit on your stupid ass for 1 hour, learn all this amazing news, and then you'll know what the fuck's going on. Be a $500 member, and you'll see exactly, you could ask whatever kind of question so you can quit getting all bent out of shape and stressed out for no fucking reason. But yeah, the flare, I don't have time to find this flare shit. And I've got some articles up, deep dive shit, but flare's involved in this. So get that shit too. We found enough information here, more than enough, because it started talking about Flare and their DeFi network and shit like that. So, Righty then. Let me look at some of the comments. Looks like I got a couple donations. Let me see. We got a new member, brand new member. No, member for 25 months. Howdy, says Julia Harmon. So just about a little over 2 years, 2024 crypto explosion level. Julia Harmon, thank you very much. Tax-free donation. ALGR 55, thank you very much for that tax donation. Appreciate that. Let me look. Stuart Lavelle says, most folks have the concentration of a rock, 1 minute zombies. And for those of you that, look, Crypto Hulk people that watch my show, these are people that are trying to learn. These people, Crypto Hulk, people that watch Crypto Hulk, like work. They like sacrifice. My shows are an hour and 1 minute right now. That's a long fucking time. But guess what? You struck gold today in the show, didn't you? That's what the fuck is up. When I deep dive and never give up, I'm relentless. I could have just said, fuck this Doppler radar or fuck this Doppler finance shit, right? But what I do, I took that extra step, just that extra bit for you. I'm like, you know what? I got fans that are dependent. Some guys out there maybe don't have a lot of money in crypto. I need to help you get rich. Maybe all you got is $1,000 or 500. I got to do my best so you have the most advantage. So I'm going over the article. I've gone over all the shit, and then I had a choice. Dig deep into this Doppler, whatever the fuck shit I thought it was. I didn't know what Doppler finance. What the fuck is that? Who cares, man? I'm tired. I don't want to do. You know what I do? Fuck it. I'm going to look it up for you. I looked into that. We had to take a moment for Grok to spool it up because I didn't know about it. And I say, you know what? I've got to do 100% for these people. They rely on, if I get paid, I'm getting paid from these people here and the members and shit right now. This is a member show. I'm getting paid. So I have to make myself do the best I can to show you all these connections, what cryptos are going to be all a part of this. You got a Saudi prince involved in this is massive. And I showed you all the connections and the parts that are there because I have to go and do my best. That's just what I do. I could have half-assed it and never went over that and found out all this other shit we just found out with fire blocks and all that shit and XLR and all these connections. This is massive. So no useless information from you, Hulk. We appreciate your time. Yeah, I do my best. And it's a lot of work. This shit is a lot of work, man. Trying to dig deep and find all this shit. But I've always worked hard. Whether I started off my first job at Denny's restaurant, I was a busboy, dishwasher, matter of fact, dishwasher. Then I got promoted to busboy. I felt like a big shot. Okay. Cheers, Hulk. Great stuff. Okay. You know what? Cryptos are going to be part of this revolution. I don't care if the prices are low, which is great. Get that shit. The prices are low. If you can't afford them, get a fucking loan. I'll see you in the next one. I'm not doing a Sunday morning show. I'm going to look for news tonight and tomorrow morning, and I'll do a Sunday PM. You got enough information from here right now to go get some of the cryptos we were just talking about. The Flare, Axelar, they're all discounted. Everything's all discounted right now. So, and you got that new stock, Vivo Power, $2 and something cents. Get that shit too. I'll see y'all in the next one.